SoFi affiliate program sign up process. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up for the affiliate or SoFi affiliate program. If you're into finance niche or looking to earn passive income by promoting a trusted brand like SoFi, then this is a must watch. We'll walk you through on what SoFi is, how the affiliate program works, and how to get approved and start earning commissions. Basically, first things first, let's talk about on what is SoFi. SoFi or SoFi, short for social finance, is a US-based online personal finance company that offers a range of services including student loan refinancing, personal loans, home mortgage, credit cards, investing and stock trading, crypto trading, and banking services with SoFi checking and saving. So they've grown rapidly by offering low fees, modern UX, and a mobile first approach. With millions of users, SoFi is a trusted or a brand people that earns trust, making it great for affiliate marketers. And from there, let's talk about the SoFi or SoFi affiliate program overview. SoFi affiliate program is managed by Impact Reviews or Impact.com, one of the most reliable affiliate tracking platforms. Here's what you can expect. Commission range will go ahead and be around $10 to $300 plus depending on the product. Product like SoFi Invest, loans, credit card, and banking all have separate commissions. Now the cookie duration is 30 days. Monthly payouts via bank or PayPal. It is handled also by Impact. And lastly, you have real-time tracking dashboard. Now, what makes it appealing is that commissions are action-based. You get paid what your referrals sign up and meet basic requirements. For example, fund an account or apply for a loan. So let's go ahead and show you the sign-up process or the step-by-step process of this referral program. Now all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, the first thing that we have to go ahead and do is to navigate through the SoFi referral program right here. Simply once inside the referral program, you then want to look for the apply button. If you cannot go ahead and see it inside your page, you can just search for SoFi affiliate program. And from here, you can just go ahead and look for the official page. It's going to be the SoFi referral program or the personal loan affiliate. So you can just go ahead and navigate through any one of these programs right here. And basically once inside, you then want to click on the find my rate button. Now we also have the referral program that you can go ahead and take. For example, if you want to refer your friend into something like an active investing, you can just go ahead and click on these buttons right here. And also we then have this other affiliate program that we can go ahead and take advance on SoFi. So let's also go ahead and do this step right here. Let's go ahead and say that we want to refer personal loans to one of our friends. So I'll just click on refer a friend button, and from there you then have to simply create an account. So in my case, I'll click on new to SoFi sign up button, and right after that we will then be taken to the sign up process. And right after that, you just have to go ahead and create your account. Basically, all you have to do is enter your first name, your last name, your email address, your state, and lastly you then want to create your password. So once that I have my referral links right here, for example, we have the personal loans of $300, student loan refinancing, you have student loan refinancing for $1,000 and more. So if you want to go ahead and refer this into something like Facebook or Twitter, you can just go ahead and click on one of the icons right here. But in my case, I then want to click on the copy link, and I can then go ahead and show this to somewhere like YouTube, my own Pinterest account, and more. Now it doesn't matter whenever or wherever you promote their referral or affiliate link. So let's head back to the SoFi referral program right here. And inside, you can then go ahead and choose between an active investing, student loan, private student loans, checking and savings, and the credit score monitoring. Now, right after that, you'll go ahead and get access to the custom tracking links for each SoFi product, which is this one. And then you can go ahead and create sub ID domains to track performance from different traffic sources. So once inside your account, you could just go ahead and click on reports to track clicks, conversions, and earnings in real time. Now the dashboard is simple and the reporting is precise. It's ideal for beginners and pros alike. So let's go ahead and talk about on what products you can promote. So in here we have the SoFi Invest, which is for stock and crypto. It is going to be around $25 to $100 per commission. We then have the SoFi Money, which is banking, which will go ahead and range from $50 to $75 per referral. Now we have the personal loans and student loan refinancing, which is going to be $200 plus, a SoFi credit card around $100, and SoFi Relay, which is a budgeting tool. It have small payouts but high conversion. Now you can just go ahead and once again choose a specific niche like active investing right here or personal loans to browse personal finance content and include multiple SoFi offerings. Now, let's also go ahead and talk about on how you can maximize your earnings in SoFi. The first thing that you want to do is to create evergreen content like the best stock apps in this year or how to budget using SoFi. And from there, you can just go ahead and leave your referral link on your specific video post on Facebook or maybe something like YouTube. From there, you then want to use YouTube tutorials like blog reviews or comparison videos like SoFi versus Robinhood. And once again, from there, you then want to leave the referral links right here. You also want to offer bonuses or incentives if someone signs up through your link. For example, if they go ahead and sign up using your referral link, you will then go ahead and have them answer a giveaway that you go ahead and promote also, maybe something like that. Now, you want to focus on high intent keywords like open SoFi bank account or SoFi investing review. And lastly, you want to stay compliant with the SoFi terms like no misleading claims or PPC on branded terms. So basically, that's all you have to do is to go ahead and memorize the SoFi referral program or the affiliate program right here. Now, that's the full walkthrough of the SoFi affiliate program setup. This program is one of the most rewarding in the fintech space, especially with its broad product range and strong brand trust. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more affiliate marketing tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. If you want a full strategy video on how to promote SoFi, let me know. I'll catch you on the next video.